Okay, folks, here's a review of today's live trading room. So we basically were saying on today's report that 7240 is still a key level, and I'm kind of was expecting us just to consolidate between 7200 to 7300. So just keep an eye on that 7240 level for now. Come back to that in a second. I actually thought buying a pullback today was good, given that we've got the elections coming up on Thursday. I didn't really see too much action going on with the FTSE. A lot of people on the sidelines waiting for that to pan out. So I did want to buy the dip today, and I also was happy to buy down towards the 7200 level. So that was a stop. Also, I said we could sell 7240 to 50 because actually I thought we would react off that one as well. The closing gap, let me just pull this one down. We didn't have a 5-minute bar today, but the closing gap should, I highlighted that as filling, and so the spike up in the first 5 minutes was also good to go. So let's just have a look at the action. All right, so 7240 is here. And you can see we opened and we just basically went straight off this reaction. So had it sort of, because it opened actually at 7240 practically, we couldn't get the spike up to sell, which is a shame. But anyway, that basically shot down, and actually I liked a buy into the 7214 level because it shot down so quickly. And I wanted to stop below 71.90 on this one, which was there. Because I basically expected this flush to just retrace. Because again, we've got low volume, we've got the elections coming up, and you know, this was a move which I expected to fully retrace. Anyway, it kept on going. We got stopped out at 71.88, unfortunately. And then, of course, it just kept going down, and then it found a low in the range, and it shot back up again. So we'll see where America goes now. So that was unfortunately, we got stopped out on that trade. I did mention as well that if we got back above 71.97, we could look to rebuy this. So it'll be interesting to see where we go now, because we're back above 71.90. 97 now, so we'll see if this retests this 71.97 level and then continues upwards, because actually it's still bullish now. Certainly a break is 72.40 now would open up 7,300 quite quickly. So actually for my pro traders, we actually got in again on a this pattern here. We took a break up above this level. Let me just show you. Just get rid of these lines. So this pattern here, this consolidation pattern here, was basically at the bottom of the range, and it just tested it. And you know, this pin bar here broke up, and a break is 71.72. It was actually bullish to move this back up. So again, things to look at now are 71.97. See if that holds now. It's just coming back now to retest it. It'll be interesting to see if that holds. If it does, then yeah, this can go back up, test 72.40, and again, if it cracks that, then can have an attack on 7,300. So should be some volatility again in the next few days, but again, Thursday is the election day, so we'll see where the FTSE and see how the currencies react to that decision on Thursday for the UK 100 FTSE. So I hope you found that interesting, and we'll be back in the live room tomorrow.